Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Samsung and long pressing an empty area of the home screen so the layout enters edit mode. Once done, tap Widgets to open the widget picker. This shows you widgets grouped by app and size, which matters because larger ones display more data. Make sure the app that provides the widget is installed. If not, install it now. You're preparing the canvas and confirming available choices so the placement step goes smoothly. You now choose the widget and size that fits your layout. Tap the widget entry and review the 1x1, 2x2, or larger preview so content isn't cramped. Next, press and hold the chosen widget and drag it to the desired home screen panel. Position matters for quick access. After you drop it, make sure to resize by dragging the blue handles so it displays needed information. If widgets overlap, move icons or create a new page to avoid clutter. You finish by tapping the newly placed widget to configure its settings. This is where you choose accounts, calendars, or refresh intervals, so set them now for accurate updates. Once configured, adjust grid or lock the home screen layout in settings to prevent accidental moves. If the widget fails to appear or shows stale data, restart the phone, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. These steps often resolve permission or cache issues. That troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.